Hey guys, I'm about to change out the ignition coil for the Kia 2017 S model, the Forte. And what's that? We're just waiting for the electricity to draw out by unplugging the negative terminal. And we're gonna install some dielectric grease to the spark plugs and the ignition coil boot for just to make sure that it prevents arcing and everything, because it misfires from that factory recall. Okay, we're about to remove the engine cover and the spark plugs. Woo. Yeah, that's good. Yep. So cylinder 1 and cylinder 2, they're the ones that misfire, and we're gonna just change out all 4 of these ignition coils just to make sure that we don't run into the same problems with ignition coil 3 and 4. But this is a common problem that the 2017 Kia Fortes have. I guess it's the bad batch of the ignition coils that come from the factory that they ordered them from. Yeah. The electricity from the negative terminal has been cut, so we're doing this hopefully the right way. Yeah. Yep, that's the correct way. Yeah, from the first one. No, first. Then when you install them, it's the opposite. Okay. So yeah, that's the first one. Let's do it in order. The second one. The third one, that's good. And the fourth one. Oh. Oh yeah, they look like it's clean in there. Here's the first one. I don't know if the lighting is bad or not. Oh no, first one. And we're gonna place them on top of here in order. Wait, that way is tightening it.
On the grip to prevent.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's fine.
Fine, right?
Yeah. Take your time. Take your time. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, make sure it doesn't drop.
And touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it. Is it hot?
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to touch it because it's short.
Place it right here. No, this.
Hands, fine.
Yeah, with your hands, it's good. As long as there's no current. Yeah. And then just put them in order. Dang, that's pretty black.
No, that's clean. The tip is like.
Oh, okay.
That's normal because from the cylinders.
No, I'm just, yeah. Okay. You're doing good. You're doing good.
Oh.
Yep, that's good. Yeah.
Good.
Yep. So you installed them properly, so.
Of course I did. I had a mid-engine car for 3 years. I never had no issue with the engine.
It's just the ignition coils. They're factory recall.
I just got that bad luck. And I'm supposed to put the grease, so I didn't.
Oh
so,
no!
So I activate it faster.
Yeah.
It's white perfecto. Oh, from the misfire. Look, I think that's the.
That's the bad one.
Huh? Let me see. Oh no.
Let me see.
Oh, probably like that. A little bit of oil.
Oh no! Probably because it was misfiring already.
All of them.
Okay. And now we're gonna install dielectric grease. We're gonna.
Oh shit! You have to do that part. I'll hold it.
Okay. Just get my fingers, okay? Oh, do you have the gloves?
Yeah.
I got it. Okay. Okay, so. Okay. Some dielectric grease on the ceramic, and then this one's done, and the next one. These are pretty hot. Hold a little bit like that, then use my middle finger to wrap it around. This will prevent the spark plug from arcing from the base to the top. Okay, yeah, that's good. Right there. Okay, that's good. And I'm just gonna put a little bit, very, very, very small on the contact, very little bit, for that 1% insurance. Okay, and then glue up this part. One's good. Two. A little bit right here, then. Three. Actually, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now they're ready for installation. Oh, let's compare the old one to the new one. Oh, they're pretty much the same. Yep.
Damn, exactly.
Yeah, let's see if the aftermarket ones work. Because the Kia dealership had a wait time because of COVID, so I went out of my way to order the parts myself. Okay, now with this, oh yeah, install.
Oh no, you know the ordering. You keep telling me that.
Oh no. When we put the boot back on, it'll be 4, 3, 2, 1.
Spark plug don't matter.
The spark plugs 4, 3, 2, 1.
Still? The spark
Yeah,
plugs?
yeah. But yeah, put the.
Those just ignition plugs.
Oh no.
And I need gloves for that. That's grease.
Oh yeah. Cool.
I usually drop it in there.
Oh yeah. Drop it in there, and then just hand tied it with the stuff.
I do all.
Yeah. Yep.
I got a tip for one. Have to cover every inch of drop.
Yeah. And just hand tied it, and then hand tie each one. The order is supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, then 4, 3, 2, 1.
I start from him tying it from here.
Oh yeah, it's good. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. You're right.
makes sense how this all metal and this plugged in there. It's
Yeah.
arc everywhere.
Oh no, as long as there's a ground right there.
But you know what I'm saying though, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Because
Be-
it's that
beca-
sensitive.
because the chassis works as a whole ground for the car. And then since we don't have a torque
tying it
wrench,
from here.
yeah, that's good. Since we don't have a torque wrench, we're gonna mindfully tighten it up. Yeah, that's perfect.
You seen the wrench, right? How
Yeah.
the torque.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. It's perfect. Okay, now we're gonna install the coils from the opposite order. Oh no, those are the old ones. These are the new ones. You can put those in 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Four, 3. Yeah, when I open those coils, we're gonna see the springs. Oh dang, kind of loose. That's good. There you go.
On the plug-in? What I do?
Oh yeah, plugins from the 4.
Start from here?
Yeah. Okay. Now everything's been installed and we're gonna start the car. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the first test to see if the ignition coils start the car good or whatever. Okay, here's the first test. Wow. Okay, let's wait until the ignition coils get broken into, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes before we actually drive it.
I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think so. There's no codes, nothing, so it has to be that.
There was a code when I came here, but now it's gone.
What did it say?
Oh no, there was an engine light.
Oh, you just kind of thing?
No.
Then you should have found what was there.
Yep. So far it's been idling good. With the AC, that's why it's up there. I tried with the AC. Let's see if it bounces.
Oh, the RPM actually got higher.
Oh wow.
The RPM was over.
Yeah.
Remember this cold WG like an hour ago.
Yep. So the engine's already. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna stop the car again. Wait 2 seconds till it turns off. Then I'm gonna turn it on again. Oh, hopefully it doesn't go into low idle.
Then you do that, you just start it, hold it.
Oh, it sounds like it's gonna do it.
So. The idle's pretty high. It's SP.
Yep.
Higher than before?
It used to be at 750 on the idle with the original ignition coils. Now it's a little bit above it. So I don't know if that plays a role, on why like the car misfires. Probably goes into low idle, then it starts acting weird from those 2 cylinders. Okay, we're just gonna test drive it and we'll give you the update.